Hello everyone, this is Microcasting St. Louis. Welcome to a quick tropical early warning for tonight. This is as of July 4th at 10:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Before this video does start, this is proudly sponsored by Penrod's Weather, Freeman Forecast, and Floyd Glass and Window. Check them all out in the link below. Let's get started with a couple of invests we have to watch. A satellite imagery of the invest that I have given a 90% chance of development. Other one only has a 40% chance of development, but could still bring some rainfall to the United States. So, let's get into the 90% one. So this one you can see definitely has a spin to it. I would assume by tomorrow this will be deemed a tropical depression. Something that you will notice though is that there are two areas of rotation. If you look really closely, you can see the burst on satellite imagery rotating, but if you look down around the lower right corner of that, you can see another area of rotation really in that lower right corner box from center. So that's what you can see there. So again, 90% chance of development, and this could be a tropical storm headed into the Lesser Antilles. It looks like it will dissipate from then, but again, there is a lot of uncertainty at this time. 40% chance of development with the other invest you can see. Hasn't really become very organized. It's a disorganized area of showers and thunderstorms, and you can see that's looking like it's going to recurve here rather shortly within the next 5 days. Getting into sea surface temperatures, not looking so good for the 90% invest, but because of the current conditions right now, how it's looking, and its consistent convection as well as strengthening, and the fact that it will be moving into more favorable waters as time does go on, I think that it is safe to say this will be a developing tropical cyclone. For the other one, while it does look absolutely fine here on sea surface temperatures, it's actually looking pretty good. It's just not organized enough, and even wind shear's looking fine for it. But you can just tell there isn't quite an organized area of showers and thunderstorms there, and well, what I'm worrying is as this heads up, it's going to head into that unfavorable shear. It's actually headed in this general direction. And that could cause some issues. You can see the invest down to the lower right corner of your screen. That one is looking like it's going to be moving, and you'd think into this pocket of wind shear, but it's looking like it's moving at around the same speed as the storm away from said storm. So we'll see if wind shear does end up being an issue. It depends on how fast it moves away, how fast this trough moves, and how it interacts with other systems. You can check me out on social media at Microcasting on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. This is Microcasting St. Louis, signing out.